Hello, my dear friends. Good morning. Special welcome to all of you for the Gandhi Jayanti episode of our channel. Just a moment. Today, it is the birthday of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. All of you know very well about him. So, our channel doesn't make you bored with his history that is in the blood of every Indians. But here I am going to explain a quote of Mahatma Gandhi which is very relevant for the today's situation of human beings. His famous quote is an eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. It's a real fact. All the people are now very furious. We can't even imagine his freedom struggle using satyagraha. Now, violence is spread all over the world. We are hearing news that we cannot even imagine. A teenager kills a girl for not accepting his love. Do you think there is any fault for our new generation? They think that it is worthy to have eye for eye, leg for leg, and even life for life. We can take the example of the war in our epic Mahabharata. It is also known as simply the Kurukshetra Yuddham. Actually, it was described as a conflict aroused from a dynastic succession of struggle between two groups of cousins, the 101 Kauravas and 5 Pandavas for the throne of Hastinapura. It was an example of failure of all wars. A lot of Pandavas, a lot of mothers lost their children, lot of wives lost their husband, and really every war has a story of loss. Finally, victory was with the Pandavas, but actually they lost every dear ones. The great warrior Arjuna lost his son Abhimanyu in the war. Does he got satisfaction in ruling that kingdom? No, it's never possible to be happy after losing our children. We all know another great example of Ashoka, who won the Kalinga war and after that devoted the rest of his life as a Buddha sannyasi. Actually, what's the reason? Do any of you think about that? The victory obtained by shedding the blood of lakhs of people make him felt depressed. He could not sleep after that and he ended the military expansion and began an era of more than 40 years of relative peace, harmony and prosperity. Then actually what is the word victory means? In dictionary it means the defeating of an enemy or opponent. But according to my dictionary, victory is only the mastering of minds of human beings. Is victory after shedding blood of others called a success? No. Peace is better than war. Every conflict between persons can be stopped before bloodshedding. That is actually what Gandhiji means. So live peacefully. Have a nice day. Thank you, buddies.